Hello everyone, I am Himasati Sharma and students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter Pollution of Air and Water for class 8th. So what is pollution? Pollution is the introduction of harmful or poisonous substances into the environment which may cause adverse effect. So basically pollution is the introduction of unwanted harmful substances. Air pollution is the contamination of air which takes place due to unwanted substances, and these unwanted substances causes harmful effects on both biotic and abiotic components. So from our previous learning we know biotic components are living organisms in the atmosphere and abiotic components are components which are non-living but essential for the life. For example, air, water, soil, etc. So, sources of air pollution are pesticide spray, metallurgy, chemical industry, building materials production, refineries, transportation, forest fires, and energy production. So, the things which are responsible for contamination of air are called air pollutants. These pollutants may result from natural causes like smoke or dust from forest fire or volcanic eruptions, or from man-made causes like burning of fuel, smoke from factories, etc. The substance which accumulate in the air in high enough concentration, that is hazardous to all organism or to material exposed to the air, are called air pollutants. These may be present as solid particles. That means air pollutant can be present in the atmosphere as solid particles, as liquid droplets or gases. Examples: methane is a pollutant. Chlorofluorocarbons are pollutant. Particulate matter is also pollutant. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, lead, etc. are all pollutants. Carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. So what are the sources of carbon dioxide? Cement production, deforestation, and burning of fuels like gasoline, natural gas, oil, coal, and wood. Source of carbon monoxide, which is a toxic air pollutant. This we have studied in the chapter called combustion and flame. So incomplete combustion of carbon containing compounds, especially fuels, produces carbon monoxide. Now sulfur and nitrogen, these all are air pollutants. So nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide are major air pollutants. What are the sources? Petroleum refineries, combustion of fossil fuel like coal in power plants are the major sources of sulfur and nitrogen oxides. What are the effects? Effects of sulfur and nitrogen when inhaled causes respiratory problems including permanent lung damage. They causes acid rain and they cause photochemical smog which causes breathing difficulties in humans and animals. Now we'll discuss particulate matter. So these all were gases. So now particulate matter, that means the solid particles of solid or liquid particles which are suspended in air, water or gas. Example: dust, pollen, debris, soot, acid droplets and smoke. What are the causes of particulate matter? Combustion, construction, road dust, power plants, industries, deforestation and agriculture activities. What are the effect of particulate matter? Respiratory and heart diseases, asthma and birth defects in unborn babies. What are the overall effects of air pollution? Many problems which are related to respiratory system might be caused. Oxygen carrying capacity of blood reduces because of improper burning of vehicle fuels. As the vehicles emit high level of pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide and smoke into the atmosphere. Smog. Smog is also caused because of air pollution. It is comprises of smog and fog. It contains oxides of nitrogen and causes problems in breathing, cough, etc. And also there are visibility problems in affected areas. So during winters you must have observed this smog where the visibility problems are there and therefore trains runs late, traffic is much higher on the roads. So sulfur dioxide resulting from burning of fuels such as coal might also result in respiratory problems in human. So air pollution is a silent killer and it is the major environmental risk to the health. Every year around 7 million deaths are there due to exposure of both outdoor and household air pollution. Electronic devices like refrigerators, ACs emit chlorofluorocarbons. Now, what are these chlorofluorocarbons? CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons. So these are the derivative of methane. So carbon which is bonded to chlorine and fluorine. CFC are compounds of chlorine, fluorine and carbon. What are the uses? Where are they used? They are used in aerosol sprays, refrigerators, ACs and in cooling plants. So basically the coolant in the refrigerators, ACs and cooling plant is from CFCs. What are the effects? CFC destruct ozone layer that protects the earth from sun's ultraviolet radiations. UV exposure can lead to skin cancer, suppression of the immune system and eye damage. CFC damage the ozone layer which is present in atmosphere. We know that ozone layer depletion is a major concern these days, and the ozone layer is responsible for protecting us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. So as we increase the use of CFC, there is more depletion of ozone layer and therefore more harmful ultraviolet rays are reaching us. Therefore, there is more occurrence of skin cancer, skin related diseases and eye related diseases. Acid rain. Gases like sulfur and nitrogen, they react with the water vapor which is present in environment to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. So we have discussed in our chapter which is metals and non-metals that the non-metals like sulfur and nitrogen, they produces acidic gases. So whenever sulfur and nitrogen are burnt, so sulfur oxide, nitrogen or dioxide are produced. These are acidic gases. Now when these acidic gases react with the water vapor which is present in the environment or the water which is coming through the rain, they form acids, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Now this acid drop down with rainwater making the rain acidic. This is called acid rain. So this acid rain can be harmful for living beings and also for non-living things. Acid rain corrodes the outer surface of the building. It causes infertility of the soil also. That means it reduces the soil fertility. This has caused the Taj Mahal becoming pale. So you must have read or heard about marble cancer. So acid rain in Agra and Mathura region has corroded the marble of the monument, and this phenomenon is called marble cancer. In our next lecture, we'll be studying about greenhouse effect. Thank you.